Hello, my friends and my students. Welcome back my YouTube channel, Macrox Engineering. Today I am giving a presentation on Tension on V-Belt Drive Part 6. Myself, Jignesh Rana. I am working as an assistant professor at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today, the presentation outline is ratio of driving tension for V-belt drive and condition for the transmission of maximum power. Ratio of driving tension for V-belt drive. In case of V-belt or rope drive, there are two normal reactions. So the radial reaction is equal to twice R sine alpha shown in figure. Thus, so total friction force is equal to twice F. It means F is twice F is equal to 2 mu R. Okay, shown in figure. There are two normal reactions because the V belt is fit in the groove of the pulley. So that's why two normal reactions are acting on the belt. You can see here this one and second one. Okay, so let's make it's an angle alpha. Okay, let's make angle alpha, acting on angle alpha. So there are two component. Okay, so horizontal component twice r cos alpha and r sin alpha. So both forces are acting on upward direction. That's why two force twice F is equal to mu r. It means 2r sin alpha. Now resolving the forces tangentially. Okay, so now last time we have studied in flat belt drive, same theory is apply. Okay, force resolution. So first of all, 2 mu r force tangentially 2 mu r plus t cos delta theta by 2 minus t plus delta t cos theta delta theta by 2 is equal to 0 because all the forces are equilibrium condition. So all the force is equal to 0. Okay, so first of all t cos delta theta by 2 ये टर्म्स कहाँ से आया मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ. ओके, सो t दिस t, सो उसका जो फोर्स लगेगा दैट्स अ t प्लस कॉस डेल्टा थीटा बाई 2 देन t प्लस डेल्टा t कॉस डेल्टा थीटा बाई 2 दिस फोर्स. ओके, और उसका फोर्स हॉरिजॉन्टल रहेगा. ओके, बोथ द फोर्स इज ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. दैट्स व्हाई t cos delta by 2 पॉजिटिव एंड t plus delta t cos delta t by नेगेटिव. ओके, so now delta theta is s delta theta is very small, so cos delta theta is equal to 1. It means twice mu r t minus delta theta is equal to 0. It means delta t is equal to twice mu r. Now resolving the forces radially. अब हम radial force को हम resolve करेंगे. So twice r sin alpha, you can see here twice r sin alpha. Okay, minus t sin delta theta by 2 and minus t delta theta sin delta theta by 2. ओके, ये कहाँ से है मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. सो इसका जो कंपोनेंट होता है दिस टी साइन डेल्टा थीटा बाई 2. ओके, अब ये टर्म कहाँ से आया टी प्लस डेल्टा साइन डेल्टा बाई 2. तो ये टर्म कहाँ से आया ये टर्म यहाँ से आया. So you can see here shown in the figure. Okay, so again sin delta theta by delta theta is very small, so sin delta theta by 2 is equal to delta theta by 2, or delta theta minus delta theta by 2 is very small term, that's why we are neglecting. Okay, so twice r sin alpha is equal to t delta theta by 2. 2 cancel, so r is equal to t delta theta upon twice r sin alpha. So put the value of r and delta t. Now this delta t is twice mu r and r is equal to t delta theta by twice sine upon sine 2 sin alpha. Okay, so put the value of r in the delta t. Delta t is equal to twice mu r, so delta t is equal to twice mu t into delta theta upon twice sine alpha. So delta theta by t upon mu t delta theta upon sine alpha. Integrating between proper limits t1 to t2. So log e base log t1 t2 base e is equal to mu theta upon sine alpha. Now so t1 upon t2 is equal to e raised to mu theta upon sin alpha or e raised to mu theta into cosec alpha. This is the equation of ratio of driving tension of for V belt drive. Okay, for flat belt drive we know the equation T1 upon T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. Now here e raised to mu theta into cosec alpha for V belt drive or also rope drive. This equation is also for the rope drive. Now the condition for the transmission of maximum power. If it is desired that the belt transmit maximum power, the following two conditions must be satisfied. अगर हमें यहाँ पे बेल्ट में मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसमिट करना है तो यहाँ पे हमारे दो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. नंबर वन, लार्जर टेंशन मस्ट रीच द मैक्सिमम परमिसिबल वैल्यू फॉर द बेल्ट, एंड सेकंड वन, द बेल्ट शुड बी ऑन द पॉइंट of slipping. Maximum force, frictional force is developed in the belt. Okay, so now ratio of driving tension is what? T1 upon T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. Now this equation modified, T2 is equal to T1 upon e raised to mu theta, e raised to mu theta. Now power transmitted by the belt equation we know that. Okay, the difference between the force and net velocity of the belt. So T1 minus T2 into V. So is equal to T1 is common, so 1 minus T2 upon T1 into V. Okay, now again taking a reciprocal of the T2, so T1 is equal to under bracket 1 minus 1 upon T1 upon T2 into V. But we know that T1 upon T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. Okay, and 1 minus e raised to mu theta is equal to k, constant. So T1 is equal to k into V, where T1 is equal to T minus Tc, k into V, where Tc is equal to what? We are considering the centrifugal tension. Okay, so T is equal to T1 plus Tc, so T1 is equal to what? T minus Tc. So put this value of the T1 in this equation. T1 k into V is equal to T minus Tc into k into V. Now this equation resolved, KTV minus Tc into kV. Okay, now Tc is equal to what? We know that Tc is equal to mv square, the centrifugal tension, mass and square of the velocity. Okay, so KTV minus mv square into kV. Now P is equal to KTV minus kmv mv cube. Here the maximum tension T in the belt should not exceed permissible value. Okay, hence treating T as a constant and differentiating the power with respect to V and equating the same equal to 0. Now dp by dv. ओके, यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? पावर को हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिफरेंशिएटिंग पावर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वी वेलोसिटी. सो के टी माइनस 3v स्क्वायर इंटू के एम इज इक्वल टू 0. सो के टी इज इक्वल टू 3v स्क्वायर के एम. नाउ टी इज इक्वल के इज कैंसल, सो टी इज इक्वल टू 3mv स्क्वायर. नाउ बट mv स्क्वायर इज इक्वल व्हाट? Tc. mv square is what? Tc. So Tc is equal to 3 Tc, or Tc is equal to T upon 3. Okay, so this is the equation of condition of maximum transmit power. For maximum transmission power, centrifugal tension in the belt is equal to 1/3 of the maximum allowable belt tension, and belt should be on point of slipping. Okay, the second condition satisfied. Also T is equal to T1 plus Tc. We know that. So T1 is equal to what? T minus Tc. Now put the value of Tc. Tc is equal to what? T by 3. Okay, so T minus T by 3 is equal to what? We are taking LCM. So equation resolve. हम equation solve करेंगे अगर हमको आंसर मिलेगा 3t minus t upon 3. It means 2t upon 3. Also T is equal to 3 Tc. T is equal to 3 Tc. So Tc's value mv square, Tc का mv square 3 mv square. So now what? V maximum is equal to under root T upon 3m. Okay, so आज हमने यहाँ पे दो important topics cover किए. Ratio of driving tension for V-belt drive, which is very useful in examination for asking in university exam almost 4 marks, and also condition for transmission maximum by almost 3 marks. Okay, so both the question is very important as per exam point of view or all as per problem point of view. Okay, so In next videos, we are solving some problems on flat-built drive and V-built drive. Okay, so thank you. I hope you get it very well. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Please subscribe my channel. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon, because whenever I put the video in future, you get some notification on your mobiles or on your PC, etc. Okay, so thank you. Stay home and stay safe.